If your body feels tense and you don't know why, stay with me. Your body might be holding stress you haven't even noticed yet. Before you try to fix anything, feel this. Close your eyes for a moment. Notice where your body meets the ground. Pay attention to your inhale and exhale. Your calm is your power. Let's bring it back to your nervous system. Close your eyes if you haven't yet. Let your hands rest wherever they naturally fall. Notice your body meets the solid surface. Feel the weight of you landing. No fix, no adjusting, just sensing. Bring your attention to your chest. Notice if there is tightness, pressure, or even numbness. You don't need to change it. Instead, allow your awareness pass it there. Take a slow inhale through your nose. Let it be easy, not forced. And exhale through your mouth like a quiet sigh. Again, inhale. Feel your belly. Exhale, soften your shoulders. Your body doesn't release stress because you tell it to. It releases when it feels safe. And right now, you are giving it that signal. Notice your feet, your legs, your hips. Every inhale is an invitation to arrive. Each exhale is an opportunity to let go of what's not serving. Keep your exhales longer, smooth. Follow them to the bottom. Feel your inhales, filling yourself up with life force. Bring your curiosity into your spine. Notice your belly and chest, rising and falling with your breath. Pay attention to the nervous system in your chest. Is it tight, contracted, relaxed? Stay where you are. Nothing's broken. It's all an open field of understanding and reconnection of how your body is doing in this moment. And as you exhale deeper, you are giving the signal to your nervous system that it's okay to let go of the grip, the vigilance. Soften your shoulders. Relax the space between your lips. Notice the air flushing through your nostrils. Relax your hairline and the space between your eyebrows. Let all go. Let your jaw soften. Allow your belly to drop. Following the rise and fall of your natural breathing pattern. Staying present to yourself is a gift. Embrace all what's happening within you. Stay here for a few more breaths. Soften where it's tight. Return when you remember. Come home to yourself. Beautiful. Open field of awareness, growing presence and safety. When you're ready, open your eyes, or you may choose to stay here a little longer. Either way, notice what shifted. Even something small. When you're ready to transition, make a note. This is the state of being when I feel regulated. If this helped you reset, come back to it anytime your body feels loud. Thank you for being here today. I hope to see you soon. Bye for now.